Welcome. I would like to introduce my simple FSE chat room application. The purpose of this project was to build a web chat room that allows a user to interact with other online users by seeing and sending chat messages, and each user needs an account to log in into the chat room as well as leave the chat room by logging out. As for the design of this application, it is comprised of three modules: users and chat room and message. There are two data schemas, user and message, and user has a field called user ID, which is the foreign key, refers to the primary key of user, so that we could retrieve the owner of the message. In terms of the technologies, I used Express.js to build the backend, which is written in TypeScript, and I also chose SQLite as the database for its lightweight and no configuration. And I used EJS as the template engine to render the HTML. And I also applied Socket.io to implement the chat feature. I'd like to introduce the code structure of this project. The interest of this application is in this index.ts, which makes some configurations, sets up routers, as well as the Socket.io library to help me implement the chat feature. And in this models folder, it has a database.ts, which implements the client of this database, as well as two classes, a message class and a user class. And each class has a series of methods. In this views folder, it has a home page displays the chat room, as well as a login page, which has two forms, a login form and a sign-up form to create a new account. And I also extracted some features into partials. And each partial is a snippet of HTML, so that we could reference them by using the include syntax for the simplicity of the code structure. Here is the demo of this application with two different browsers. When we first get into the home page, there is no chat room because we need to log in to get into this chat room. So at first, I'd like to show you both sign up and login features. On the right side, I click the button and we get into the login page. And there are two forms, a login form and a sign up form. At first, I'd like to show you if we try to log in an account that does not exist. Click the login button. I received an error that indicates this user does not exist, so we need to sign up to create this new account. And I also need to fill my display name and my password to sign up to create a new account, and here it is. I automatically log in and entered in this chat room, and there is no message at the moment. And on the left side, I log in into an already created account. Click login button, and here it is. I used a different account to enter this chat room. And on the right side, I sent a greeting, hi there. And you can see this message is updated on both sides. And on the right side, this message is rendered in blue color. That's because this indicates that this message is sent by the current user. And on the left side, this message is in gray color since it is sent by other user. And on the left side, I send an emoji, click send, and well, as you can see, this emoji is also gets updated on both sides at the same time. And now, if I want to leave this chat room, on the left side, I can simply click the logout button, and we return to the primary state of this homepage. And now I close all of the browsers and try to re-enter this chat room and log in with a newly created account. Click login button, and you can see as we re-entered into this chat room, the historical messages get reloaded, and because these messages were stored in the database.